What's up? It's your girl Shearsavage. I'm going to get right into this video using the Braid Sealer by StyleCraft. This tool is going to seal the ends of synthetic hair. So if you're using feed-ins, box braids, anything like that that's using synthetic hair, you'll be able to seal the ends of the braids. Check it out. All right, I got through this first one here and I was feeling good about it. My client was feeling good since this was the first time. He sang me a song about how he was feeling. There you go. But I mean, as you can see, I was not burning nothing up. It was safe. This thing heats up to 430 degrees and it works on all braid sizes. It has a small and a larger barrel on the plate for any size. Check it out. We got through that. Put it up in a bun form,